This is the cheapest property currently on the market here in Folsom, and this is the most expensive listing in Folsom right now. Welcome back to the channel. This is Mathieu Adams, and today we are in Folsom, California. We're going to be exploring two different properties: the least expensive property and the most expensive one currently on the market as of end of June 2023. Hey, if it's the first time to the channel, if you're just tuning in, if you want to know everything there is to know about Sacramento and the Sacramento area, like Folsom, California, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you too can be the first to learn about what Sacramento has to offer. My name is Mathieu Adams. I am a local licensed real estate agent here in Sacramento. And let me tell you, I'm getting phone calls, emails, and texts of people just like you every single day that want to move into Sacramento, and I'm very happy to help them out. So whether you want to move in 9 days or 90 days, feel free to reach out, email me, call me, text me. My phone number is on the screen right now. And without further ado, let's go explore the least expensive property currently on the market here in Folsom, California. So you're wondering why Folsom? But it's pretty simple actually. You have the top rated school according to gradedschool.org. It's on the screen right now. You have also top rated restaurant here in Folsom. Easy access to Sacramento through the Highway 50, about 15 to 20 minute drive depending on traffic. You have the river and the lake access for your outdoor activities. We're not very far from the Lake Tower, about an hour and a half drive to South Lake Tower. So great compromise. The first property we're going to tour is about $500,000. The 3-bedroom, 1 bath, well below what's currently selling here in Folsom. Average close price in the last quarter is about $780,000. So well below, but you're still getting all the attraction and the bonus point here in Folsom. So let's go for the first tour. Alright, let's start with the cheapest option. Most affordable property currently in Folsom is this one, priced competitively at $449,000. A 3-bedroom, 1 bath. It has a brand new roof, a couple of years old, a new AC, all efficient window, a new cozy living room, a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Obviously TV here. I love this concrete block to keep the cool inside. Cozy little dining room table here. We're getting into the kitchen area. Nice and spacious. It's a 1,000 square foot property. When you're buying this property, is mainly for your access to the grade school, access to the Folsom infrastructure, and all the good thing that goes along with owning a property here in Folsom. Your bathroom, single sink vanity with a shower tub combo. That would be another bedroom, stage as a bedroom. And this one has access as a little ice cream, I think, in the back here. So no neighbors in the back. We'll continue on, and the last options here is your office or 3rd bedroom. Let's output to the car. I want to show you a bit the neighborhood so you can have a look also with me what it's like to live in this most affordable option here in Folsom, and I'll meet you at the most expensive one in Folsom as well. For this next property, I have to put it into a code, so we have to get it into a gated community. Alright, we just passed the gate code, the gate, and you can look at this gorgeous neighborhood. Everything is brand new development here. And this is the most expensive listing in Folsom right now. If we stay on the outside for a second, I just want to give you a cute glance of the neighborhood. Over here, if I zoom in, you get the lake Folsom right here, so to tell you how close we are from the lake Folsom. Gorgeous on 2 levels. The main living space is upstairs. Downstairs you have a movie room, a great entertainment area, 2 more bedrooms, extra bath, and a big lot here. So we are in one of this gated community in Folsom, very close to Bidwell Street with this iron restaurants. And let's go. So a 3-car garage, you have 2 here right here, an extra bay over here, and check out how tall this entryway is. I bet this is gorgeous nighttime with these light fixtures. So this door is fairly small. It's actually a big door. It's probably a 10-foot door. But when you come into the room, I'm going to kind of show you how big the space. Oh, it's actually echoing throughout the entire house. I'm trying to tell you how big this room is. So right in the entrance on the right side, you have your dining room table set up for 8 people. And congrats to the stager who did this, because it's quite a bit of a fit to stage a property like this, considering the amount of volume you have in this house. So nice little chandelier that goes from the ceiling all the way down across the way. We are in the office, the main office, with a view of the front of the house. This could be also an extra bedroom if you need an 8th bedroom. In the living room, massive open floor plan, very tall ceiling, gorgeous fireplace cladded with a very large format tile. We're staying in a kitchen, a large kitchen with your fridge, microwave, and oven on the side here. The little door right here is your pantry, and you have a large island with a lot of cabinetries in the back. Few cedars in the front, probably you can add an extra one in the front here. A lot of storage underneath. Make sure you don't lose any action when you watch your TV on a big screen here. You have your dishwasher, your Kutch Professional. Never really seen this brand before. Kitchen wouldn't be complete with a little wine fridge right here. And this table is not dining room table or secondary dining room table. This is pretty much a breakfast nook just right here. It's such a large open space. A 6-seater dining room can fit as a breakfast nook. Let's explore the rest of the house. You have a very large covered porch. Well, I think they call it a grand room, a California grand room here. A lot of entertainment can happen here. And this lot is one of the biggest one here in this Lakeview community. Imagine you can do a pool. I think a pool like the neighbor's house would be perfect, with a couple levels, a gorgeous view of the Eldorado here on the back. The house is so big, I don't know which way to go. So we're going to explore downstairs first, give you all the amenities this house has to offer, and then we're going to explore the master suite on the other side of the living room. Right at the bottom of the stairs, you have 2 tiny little bedrooms, probably great for offices. This would be good for a little office. And number 1, number 2, a full bathroom here. So if the living room upstairs is not enough for entertainment, you have the center lower level here for you, with a corner area with some cabinetries and countertop, probably for a bar area, a secondary wine fridge here, and a large room, probably a pool table can fit here, probably a ping pong table. You have access also to your backyard with a covered porch. Do you guys notice? I didn't recommend to put a big TV in this room because this house has its own movie room. At the ceiling, you can attach your projector, probably 3, an extra 3 here, and a big screen that can fit perfectly here. All right, done with the downstairs. We're gonna explore the master suite. Start with the bedroom area. I love this view here in Folsom. Check this one out. Cool. If we stay in this room, we have king size bed. As you guys can see, it fits beautifully. Yeah, you can potentially have an extra desk here or an extra dressing. But your dressing, your walk-in closet in this house, the master suite is massive. Big master suite. A little bit of lack of privacy, probably privacy screen on the entire window here, or maybe the 2 or 3 quarters of it. A large vanity here with a 2 sink, gorgeous, very modern looking light and mirror with very thin bezel. Your freestanding tub, very large format towel for your flooring here, and to match also this gorgeous walk-in shower. Check out the size of this shower and the rainfall shower head right on top of it. And we're finishing this video tour on this good note here with a large size walk-in closet. So whether you are looking for affordable option here in Folsom, we saw the first property at $449,000, 3-bedroom, 1 bath, about 1,000 square foot. Or if you want to go on the other spectrum, end of the spectrum, with this gorgeous luxury property here in Folsom, this gated community in Lakeview, it's feasible. You have both ends of the spectrum. The city of Folsom is pretty good because you have a good school district throughout the entire city, and high-end restaurants and all this good stuff we talked about earlier in the video. So if you have a budget for a property like this one, or lower budget like the first one, this city has about 100 properties currently on the market as of June 2023. So quite a bit to pick from if you have a desire to move here in Folsom. I hope you enjoyed these videos, if you found it useful, and we'll see you at the next one. See ya!